Microsoft Purview's communication compliance is an insider risk solution that helps minimize communication risks by helping you detect, capture, and act on potentially inappropriate messages in your organization. Predefined and custom policies allow you to check internal and external communications for policy matches so that they can be examined by designated reviewers. Reviewers can investigate email, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft 365 Copilot, and Microsoft Copilot, Viva Engage, or third party communications in your organization and take appropriate actions to make sure they're compliant with your organization's message standards. Communication compliance policies in Microsoft 365 help you to overcome many modern challenges associated with compliance and internal and external communications, including checking increasing types of communication channels, the increasing volume of message data, regulatory enforcement, and the risk of fines. Let's look at how my communication compliance looks like and what are different policies that they can be created. Go to Communication Compliance in Microsoft Purview Solutions, select Policies. When you select Create Policy here, you have multiple options to create policies. The first one is Detect Microsoft Copilot Interactions. So this particular policy will detect all the interactions that are happening within the organization through Copilot. Similarly, the second policy is Detect Inappropriate Content. This particular policy, when created, will monitor all communications as per the configuration, all communications which has any kind of inappropriate content, and if it finds any inappropriate content, it generates an alerts and generates a report. Similarly, it also detects inappropriate text through Detect Inappropriate Text policy type. Detect Inappropriate Images will detect inappropriate images in Teams or through emails or Yammer. Then you have Detect Sensitive Info Types. All communications in Teams and Yammer are actually identified, are actually checked for whether any sensitive info types are being exchanged within the organization. Similarly, financial regulatory compliance is detected and also conflict of interests are detected. Or a custom policy can also be created where you can provide sensitive information types in this policy. So whenever there is an exchange of information of such sensitive information types through Teams or Yammer or Viva Exchange, this particular policy will generate an alert. Let's see what are the contents of each and every policy. Let's create Detect Microsoft Copilot Interactions. Now about this template creates a policy to detect prompts and responses in Microsoft 365 Copilot containing sensitive data. Provide a policy name here. I will let the policy name as it is here for now. You can apply this policy to all users in organization, or you can select a specific set of users. I'll just, for demo purpose, I will select some of the users here. Then you can add a reviewer who can review this. Then detect content matching these trainable classifiers. So these are the content trainable classifiers which this particular policy would be detecting. User scope. So we have provided the users on which this particular policy should be applied. Communications to detect. The communications to detect is also provided. Scope locations is Microsoft 365 Copilot. Conditions and percentage. When I say 100% percentage to review, all communications are monitored without leaving any sentence or any interaction that is done through Copilot. When I select create policy, it will create the policy. So this is how policies are created through communication compliance. You can also create other policies. Thank you.